Welcome back to the Iron King Inc. YouTube channel. Today, we're working on my 1997 Nissan Patrol DX. This is a 1997 Nissan Patrol. It's powered by a TD42 turbo diesel engine with an automatic transmission. I imported this truck from Japan, and it's only got 80,000 miles on it. So today, we're gonna be installing a UFI upgraded HD fan and fan clutch into this truck. So I have turbocharged this thing with an 18G turbocharger, and I intercooled it, and this is all custom intercooler piping, custom turbocharger that I did myself. I cranked up the 11mm fuel pump on it, and I have an issue with the truck overheating now. And the real option to make it stop overheating is to turn it back down, turn the fuel down. I ain't about that life, so we're just gonna add a bigger fan and mask the problem. So this right here is the UFI upgraded HD fan for the Nissan Patrol. I actually ordered this from Australia and shipped it in on DHL. Man, I hope this fixes it, or at least cools it down a little bit. Right now, with this hot weather that we're having, it's really overheating up any gradient. If I go past 70 miles an hour, it gets really hot. Hopefully this will fix it. So in here is the stock Nissan Patrol fan. It's got a pretty flimsy fan clutch on it. I've changed the fan clutch out, changed out the thermostat. It could probably honestly use a bigger radiator, but the Patrol experts in Australia told me to just get a bigger fan for it and use the standard radiator. So we're gonna give that a shot before we go and find a Chinesium radiator and throw it in it. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna start the truck up with the stock fan in it so you can hear it. The new fan should be way louder. It should be drawing way more air through that radiator system. So let's fire this old one up and you can hear it. Let's see, which creeper's best? This one. Need a 10 and probably an 8. If I can remember correctly, because I've only tried to fix this problem probably 20 times. So we have these 3 10s right here that we need to get out. Look at that, it's a 10, perfect. Now, can I get to it from here? Yes. It's almost like someone left all these bolts loose, like they knew I was gonna be in here. That person was probably me. Last one. Nice. So we need to move this top radiator hose out of the way. We should be good there. We need to unscrew 10s.
You gotta give him that hawk to it.
Perfect. Put that on top of the battery. That way it goes flying. Forget about it. Over here, shake hands with danger, and we'll get this one.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Destroy our radiator in the process. Nice. Okay, shroud is out. And we didn't even break it. It's fine. Okay. Now, what the heck size were these bolts in here? We need to get a 10 regular wrench, and then we need to unscrew it. You just gotta get these one at a time. There is no easy way to do it. You just gotta get in there. I remember now. people squat in India.
Yeah.
So working on shit like this all the time. It's a pretty comfortable position, honestly. Oh yeah. Okay. Check this out. This thing was ready to come apart. Man, that is a good idea. We're changing this thing out. Check out the difference between the new and the old one too. So, old versus new. And look at how much steeper and thicker those blades are. And this fan clutch will show you when I pull the old one out. This is way bigger. And no cracks. So I think we're ahead on this one at least by a little bit. Way better position. Ow, this thing's hot. Look, they gave us a little tool tray up here because they knew we were gonna be working on it. Oh yeah. You know, I've had these parts for over a year, but it was winter time and it wasn't overheating, so I just left it. So now it's hot and now it's overheating. So now I have to mess with it. One more bolt hiding here. There we go. Da-da, da-da. Don't break. Don't go into the radiator. Perfect. Look at the size difference between the fan clutches. That is gonna cool it down. Way better. Will it go in? Okay. Here we go. Dun, da, da. Dun, da, 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 da. Yeah, it will. Nice.
So you just skipped half of the work.
Yeah. Only pain in the butt here is getting this on. Okay, we got the safety nut in. That way it can't come loose. And I left my ton over here. Whew. I can see failure because the easy right way to do it is to pull the fan off, but you don't want to do that. New position. Okay. Look at that. Almost got them all off. Got one left. What I think we'll do is we'll tighten these up, and then we'll turn the engine over a little bit to get that other bolt in. Dropping wrenches, burning my hand. You know what I should do? Get a glove. It's really hot right here too. It's almost like this engine was on for hours before I started working on it. I'm gonna go work on it.
Vamos.
One more check. Yes. Okay. Owie. My knees. Oh, my knees. What do we have left here? Let's see. Put it back. Yep. Put that. Take my tools out of the way. Now this back in. And we really gotta watch the radiator here. Make sure we don't jack here. Make sure we don't get all up. Now I know why I put this off for so long. Because it sucks. So we're rubbing a little bit. No big deal. Nice and easy. No damage yet. No damage yet. Yep. Almost. Almost. My little son of a bitch. Bam. Oh, I think we're just sitting in there hunky-dory. And we didn't even mess the radiator up. I'm proud of myself. Now, put these bolts in that we didn't lose. I'm very surprised at how well that UFI fan just fit right in there. It's almost like they designed it to work like that. And, hear that? You don't, do you? Because it's not rubbing. No rubbing on the fan. So you hear that? No, you don't. Because it's not rubbing. That was my biggest worry, was this thing was going to start rubbing on the stock shroud, which I did not want to change. And we're good to go. Put this one back in. And we'll put this one. Right there. And then some more right here. Just snug these up by hand. We are kind of going into plastic here, so you don't want to go crazy insano, Captain Insano tight, you know. Crazy tight, not crazy tight. We already got that one. Let's move on to the bottom. Now this bottom shroud is going to go up in here, and it should. Oh wait, hold on, my bad. Well, I think we're okay because we gotta bolt these guys in right here. We gotta bolt this one here. Start one at a time. Bill say? And this one, trace. Tighten these guys up, not crazy. We are going into plastic. Snug is fine. We got this one. Bam! Wrench drop. Okay. Now we just gotta clip this guy into there. And then one more clip up here. Can't see shit. So you just gotta kind of feel it out. Nailed it. Done. Yep, it just kind of floats right there. Check one more time, I got no rubbage. Nothing. Good to go. Let's fire it up. Shit. Now, let's see if we can hear the difference between the old fan and the new fan. Sure. Check that out. That is pulling a lot more air than that old fan. I think we're gonna have that issue solved of overheating. That fan sucks way harder than the old fan. Super sucker. Nice and easy. There we go. Let's go take it for a little spin. Definitely hear it. It's definitely a lot louder. I think we got her licked. I got her warmed up there pretty good. And we're still sitting at, I don't know, 150 around there. But we'll see what happens when we take it on a long drive. Won't know until we hit the highway. I'll keep you updated though. If it fixes it, great. If it don't, well, we gave it a shot. All right, so a quick update here. I'm driving home. Cruising at, it's about 65 miles an hour because of the tires, and we are way cool. So that's right about 180 degrees. I got the AC on full tilt, and it's probably 85 degrees outside, so this thing is running awesome. That fan definitely helped, if not fixed, that heating problem. All right, well, we got the new fan in the Nissan Patrol. I appreciate you guys watching these videos. And why aren't you subscribed yet? You know, 90% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. It makes me look really good. It helps my channel out. Please click that button if you want to see more stuff like that. I'll see you in the next one.